Yes, so welcome back to the channel, viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, viewers and subscribers, we have a portion of video for show no plus information, viewers and subscribers. So here we could kick off the video like this. Yes, so in today's video, viewers and subscribers, we have the latest updates about Rushane Patterson, the alleged MURDER suspect of Anika Slickianna Townsend.
I will be taking all girl kids. I will be driving around and I will be taking your child. I will be taking all women and all girls.
Yeah, also there is an another alert out for 15-year-old Brianna Harrison who went missing on October the 24th. And yes, people, we also have a suspect in that incident. Also in other incident, the police has bang up another wanted man. So people, you know the drill already. We are going to just do the right thing and run the intro and jump right back into the video. So don't go nowhere. We soon forward. Coulda never forget where me come from. No matter what me do, me a born Jamaican. So viewers and subscribers, Rushane Patterson, the man who allegedly killed social media influencer Slickianna, has fled the country. Yeah, him run where people fly out of the island. But when me I wonder in myself, in my mind, viewers and subscribers, how the police them allow that to happen? How the police them manage to make the man just escape out of the island like that undetected? That is what me I tell you about the Jamaican system. It is a fraud. It is a sham. If a some other country this did go on based on the nature of the situation, people, knowing say Rushane Patterson is allegedly a murder suspect of a popular social media influencer, yeah, as him touch the airport and book the flight, viewers and subscribers, it a show up in a them system where Jamaica get them crime fighting strategy from. Jano people, me have to laugh. Yeah, cause I must drop this. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, Nationwide News has reported that Rushane Patterson, the person of interest named in the death investigation of popular social media influencer Anika Slickianna Townsend, has fled the country. Rushane Patterson was named a person of interest on Saturday after Townsend's body was discovered dead in Reading's Montego Bay on Friday. Her body was recovered from the sea. Police sources informed our news center that Patterson fled the island on Saturday. It is known that he boarded a flight out of the Sangsters International Airport that was heading to Atlanta. Patterson had been given a deadline at 5 p.m. on Saturday afternoon to turn himself in. On the weekend, police sources said that based on preliminary investigation, the deceased woman was last seen alive in the company of Patterson at a popular restaurant in Hanover. Slickianna, who is from Kingston, is said to have traveled to Montego Bay earlier in the week where she met with Patterson. Jaja know, viewers and subscribers. When you hear that, this is just another sad story. This is why I continue to warn the ladies them. Just be careful of what you do. Be careful of who you meet up with, point blank and period. Looks are deceiving. You can't just judge a book based on the cover. You can't just judge a man so based on how him look or what him say. Worse, some of them man are pervert. Some of them are rapper. Some of them are murder. So you can't just trust people nowadays. So ladies, again, just be careful. So people, I have just received information that the head of the Constabulary Corporation Communication Unit, CCU, Senior Superintendent Stephanie Lindsay, says the police have no information to indicate that Patterson has fled the country.
I've been following up and having regular dialogue with the investigators as well as the commanding officer for the division that leads on the investigation. And at this point, we have no information to indicate that he has left the island. They have made checks and we don't have any information to suggest that. So I will continue to follow up with them to see if they have any further update. But as it stands now, we don't have any such information. I can't give much information about what the investigators are doing currently, but I can actually share with you that the report that you are asking me to confirm that we have no information and that an indication that he has left the island.
So people, when you hear that, what do you think? Talk to me down into the comment section because I smell a rat. this really looks tricky. So viewers and subscribers, we are going to just keenly watch what go on and watch what go take place. In this other news, people, reports coming from the CPFSA, Child Protection and Family Service Agency, is that 15-year-old Brianna Harris from North Kelly Court, Westchester, St. Catherine, has been missing since October the 24th when she was last seen. If anyone have any information that can help locate Brianna Harrison, is said to contact the Waterford Police Station or contact the CPFSA. So people, when you remember what year when the man from Manchester made a video that goes viral on the internet threatening that he go kidnap all of the women them and all young girls and take them away, saying that he go drive around and he will be taking your child and all women because he need them for an experiment for the devil, saying that Lucifer needs them and all sort of foolishness. But people, instead of me I tell you everything what go on, check out the video for yourself.
I am promising all of you that lives in Mandeville, that on Monday when school returns, I will be taking all girl kids. I will be driving around and I will be taking your child. I will be taking all women and all girls because we need them for an experiment. The devil needs them for an experiment. Lucifer needs you. You women are to be on his mission. We must not disappoint Lucifer. He is our savior, our king. We must not disappoint him. We must make him strong. Support him or perish.
So people, when you hear that, tell me the truth if the man is mad or crazy or something in your mind, viewers and subscribers, or if he is truly a devil's worshipper. Jaja knows star. Wanna see where the world gone to, viewers and subscribers. But anyways, I'm just saying the police them need to check out this man here seriously, viewers and subscribers, because it is possible that he knows something about 15-year-old Brianna Harrison missing situation. Him automatically make himself a suspect right there, so. People, tell me what you think down into the comment section. You think this man take our way, or it is just another case that she run away and is quite okay? All me I say, people, we need to stop hear them news here. We're tired of our kids being missing. But anyways, people, me just hope say everything is okay and she's quite fine and return home safe to her family and friends. Yes, so viewers and subscribers, me I go leave you with that one here. Wanted man Twain Morrison, otherwise known as Was, was fatally shot by the St. Elizabeth police on Sunday. It is said that the police carried out an operation at approximately 2:45 p.m. on October the 23rd at a bar in Stephen Run district in the parish, where they searched for Twain Morrison, aged 25 years old, of the same address. He was wanted for the murder of Tyrone Morrison, aka Cacos, who was murdered on July the 12th earlier this year in the same district. During the operation, Twain Morrison was arrested, and while the police was attempting to escort him to the station, he resisted and tried to escape, and a struggle ensued. During the struggle, the accused man injured two police officers and tried to disarm them, and the police responded and shot him. He was rushed to the hospital where he was pronounced dead. So people, when you hear what go on, just check out the video for yourself.
My name is Kenneth Chin, and I'm the Superintendent of Police in charge of the St. Elizabeth Police Division. On Sunday, October 23rd, 2022, about 2:45 p.m., a team of police officers from the St. Elizabeth Division conducted a snap raid at a bar in Stephen Run District in search of Twain Morrison, otherwise known as Wasp, aged 25-year-old of the said address, who was wanted for the murder of Tyrone Morgan, aka Cacos, committed on July 12, 2022 in the said district. During the early stages of the operation, Mr. Morrison attempted to escape but was caught by the police and told that he was wanted for murder. He was arrested, and while the police were attempting to escort him to the station, he resisted, tried to escape, and a struggle ensued. During the struggle, Mr. Morrison injured 2 police officers and tried to disarm them. The police fired shots in his direction and he fell to the ground. He was rushed to the Mandeville Hospital where he was pronounced dead. We take this opportunity to inform the public that we, the police, have a duty to bring all criminals to justice, and we will continue to defend our lives as well as the lives of all law-abiding citizens, and we will not hesitate to use the appropriate force to repel any and all attacks. The St. Elizabeth Police and the citizens have been working together in an effort to rid the parish of all criminals and criminal activities. As we move forward, we are asking the public to continue engaging the police, and we commit to do our part in this important partnership. I thank the members of the St. Elizabeth Division for their continued efforts in our intense road policing activities, which are reaping success. The team that participated in this particular operation must be commended for their quick response and decisive actions. Our operational activities will continue, and all efforts will be made to get the guns, arrest offenders, and rid the parish of criminal elements. We urge the citizens of this parish to continue to work with us in our effort to make St. Elizabeth a safe place. Anyone with information on any criminal activities or suspicious persons are asked to contact us at the Black River Police Station 965-2232.
I could never forget where me come from. No matter what me do, me a bunch of